Hey everyone, Pickle Jr. here. Please like and subscribe. And in today's video, I'm reviewing the VaeVae texture pack. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Texture pack for MCPE. This texture pack was made by Z-Shine and ported by It's Moonbun. The texture pack and the porter and creator will be linked in the description of this video. So yeah, be playing Bedwars quads on Lifeboat. The crosses are hurt. I've never seen that before. Weird. I like this texture pack a lot. I went into a creative world and looked at lots of things. And the oars. You gotta look at the oars in this texture pack. They look amazing. Alright, the hurts also look pretty good. There's like buttons here. Looks like, yeah, the buttons, they look like a big ear. It's weird. Alright, now let's go take out our side enemy. Go on that weird log, and yet I still fall in the water. Ah! Oh, I got killed, dang it. Why'd he kill me? Guys, totally weird. Should've, but I was killing the enemy, okay. That's not normal, but okay. There's a cobwebs. This map is weird. Alright, close to their bed. And close enough to break the bed. Trying to throw that guy off the map, and I couldn't pull it off. But at least we got their bed. We need to protect a little bit, okay? I'm gonna grab some wool and put it on here. A bit worried about the bed. Whew. Okay, we gotta kill green team, man. Kill the... Die. This texture pack has particles, so if I was quiet there, I was focusing on killing the guy. Okay, we got, okay, they're right in front of us. Where's the, oh, right there. Alright. What the? I wasn't collecting brick for a second. Alright. Go to the beard elf. And, go get green. Green have, like, 2 good players, I saw. But, ah! Steve! Steve's not one of those good players, so it's fine. What the? Why can't I place blocks there? Server kind of froze. Please say they don't have any blocks on their treasure. I mean bed, not treasure. Why didn't he fight me? Total weirdo. Not total weirdo. Hey, leather armor looks cool. I mean, I kind of saw it a couple times, but stone sword kind of looks like a netherite sword. Easiest fight of my life. Okay, it's a bit top. How do I have sugar cane? Sugar canes. Huh? Alright, time to get blue. They're one of the most passive teams ever. They're only now building to middle. But that's okay. Yeah, he knows me. Uh-oh. He is chasing me. Oh my god, they have blocks. Okay. Hold on, I want to get that one. And, oh god. And we got it. We're now the only people with the treasure. I mean, bed. I gotta stop saying treasure. This texture pack has particles and I like it. Stop punching me. There we go. Pickle needed to harness his inner PvP. He's punching me in spectator mode. Alright, buy some wool. Red team. Alright. I don't have enough. Oh, there's yellow. That didn't hurt. Oh, I think I just obliterated me. Alright. Blue team is eliminated. There's no more blue. It's only us and the... Oh. Recently, just the last green guy died. So it's us versus yellow. One of them has full iron. Hey, this one's spawning brick too, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Just gotta wait for a couple more. Pickle dancing. Want to see a pickle dance? Here's a pickle dancing. Yeah, pickle. Okay. And there we go. Sword. Pretty sure that full iron guy that killed me, I'm pretty sure he's going for diamond. Alright. If he's down there... What the? This stupid vines makes fighting so weird. How did I kill them? Hey, Dream, it's Dream. It's Dream. Gimme. Dream wants some of that. Okay. So yeah, texture pack linked in the description, as well as GG too. The texture pack in the description, as well as the creator of Z-Shine, and then it's Moonbun the porter from this texture pack. Yeah. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and goodbye. See you next video.